Alright guys, what we got here is a vacuum contest. So we're going to start using this Hoover flare. It's proved itself wonderful around the house for vacuuming up just about everything. And if it fails, we'll use this shitty $50 Bissel vacuum, which isn't really that bad because, you know, whatever. And if everything else fails, we'll use the shop vac with the attachment there. So we got some shredded paper here. And I don't know if you guys can see this right here. These are copper BBs. So that's all over here. And here's some, I don't know what this is. I just stole it from Parsley. I stole it from the cabinet. And just to show you guys that this is going to be ground into the carpet, because you can still see that a little bit, and some bacon bits. It's a weird, and there's a little bit of glass, because there's a huge glass mess up in here. So I sucked the most of it with that. But let's go ahead and see which vacuum, starting with the Hoover flare, will do the best on cleaning up these messes. So first of all, I didn't even think of this, but I need to plug the vacuum in. Dumb shit. So, vacuum is plugged in. We're going to go ahead and turn it on carpet mode. It's got a fresh filter, just been cleaned out. So let's go ahead and see what it can do. It's picking them up. Alright, so it did all the BBs. Now let's go ahead and do this shredded paper. Hey, not doing bad. Let's go ahead and try it on bare floor mode. Not too good. Oh, look at the filter. You guys can see the filter. It's clogged with all that paper. But let's go ahead and finish it up and see if we can do it. It's still sucking. On to the bacon bit. Not hesitating. Bacon bits are gone. Now for the parsley. Alright, pretty much all gone. There's a little bit of parsley left in there, but I pretty much take that because of the clogged filter, and there's a paper way. So right here, you can see how the bacon bits and paper are stuck up in here. Well, oh, I see. It was probably having a little trouble because you can see this is the intake right here, and it was getting clogged. So let's go ahead and see what it got and just put it all back on the floor. Just a little bit of a paper jam. Not bad. Not bad for the Hoover flare. So I'd say that thing for a stick vac did an awesome job. Now we can go ahead and try the Bissel after I go ahead and clean the rest of this up so we can have a fresh new start. So to do that, we're going to enlist the shop vac. strands left in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and set up the course again for the Bissel and see what it can do. Give it a generous amount of this paper shreddings. We'll give it a little bit more since it's regular household vacuum. Give it some bacon bits, some parsley, get that all up in there. We'll add a little bit of cat litter, and get some more BBs out there. Alright guys, so here's the course for the Bissel. Let's plug it up and try it out. Alright, here we go. So the Hoover flare has 8.2 amps of power. This has 12, so let's see what it does. That Hoover flare. BB hitting it up. Real good on that parsley and that whatever was over here. Alright, we're going to BB territory. Well, the Bissel definitely did take longer than that Hoover flare. Alright, bag's good, so... Oh, and I didn't do cat litter with the Hoover flare, so I can't leave that out. So just get a nice helping of cat litter, and... Because you know, guys, this is bullshit to get out of your carpet. So let's go ahead and try that Hoover flare on here. Definitely picking it up. Hey guys, not bad for that. It doesn't get down truly in the deepness, so we have to go over that with this Bissel. Guys, so that is the two vacuums. They were both able to pick up what they needed to pick up, and that's really good to hear. So this Hoover Flare does a surprisingly good job, and I think you should go out and get yourself one. Don't want to waste cat litter here because you know this stuff is expensive. But not bad for the Hoover Flare. So very good vacuum, very good vacuum. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and comment, and send me your video requests, and I'll be sure to do them for you. Thanks for watching.